What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to be the first to know when my videos go live. And today is Easter Saturday. There is a bunch of meets going on right now, so what are we doing? We are going to wash the car and get it presentable to go to these meets, and hopefully they're just as good as last time, because last time the meets got pretty lit and we had a lot of fun. So while I'm driving to go wash the car, let me give you a little bit of an update on the RS. Obviously I'm in the RS, you can obviously hear it. The RS seems to be fixed. So before, I was thinking maybe the lower intake duct was the problem, because I swapped it out from stock to the Mountune one, and that's when I started getting my codes. Well, that wasn't the problem, it was just a coincidence. I had the shop go over everything, and they determined that it was the first O2 sensor. So we swapped out the O2 sensor when I was still getting a code of Lean Bank 1. So I hit up Alex, I hit up a bunch of people, and everybody pretty much said, well, most likely it's going to be the gasket between the turbo and the downpipe. So what do? I have them swap that out. Before I brought it there, I actually had one ordered already, because I figured that might have been the problem, but they determined that the O2 sensor was bad, so hopefully that was the problem. But I guess it was both of them. So the car is running perfectly fine now. The AFRs are fine. The car sounds much better. I guess I did have an exhaust leak. It definitely sounds a lot better. So I guess we knocked out two things at once, the O2 sensor and that gasket. They both had to be replaced, unfortunately. We got it done.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Villa Avenue.
I don't know if you guys remember, but I did have to replace the O-ring on my Tial 50mm blow-off valve that came with the CPE Exhale Kit. So I ordered that. I was going to have the shop replace it, but unfortunately they sent me the wrong O-ring. So I have the proper O-ring right now. So while I'm over at my friend's washing the car, we're going to swap out that O-ring. Once that O-ring is in place, we can finally get back to data logging, finishing this 91 tune. I believe that I am done with this 91 tune now, and we can finally be on E30. I've been missing ethanol so much. The power delivery is just so much better. It's night and day difference, guys. If you haven't experienced E30 or E40 or even full E85, don't wait for it. Get it done. Hit up your tuner. Another thing that I did was I switched over my shift knob. I stuck with WC Lathe Works. They did an amazing job with the first one, but it's hot here in California in the summertime, and a titanium knob literally burns my hands during the summer. So I went with this copolymer. I believe it's called the piston grip. Let me double check. So it's actually called the Helios piston, and let me tell you guys, I am super happy with it. Insert picture here. Love this thing. I definitely recommend all their products. He does a fantastic job. Everything is handmade by him. The reason why I chose this one is because it's a little longer. I feel like I could get a little better grip on it without any issues. And my hands won't slip off of it because of the grip on it. So occasionally with the titanium knob, I'd be trying to shift really fast, and my hand would slip off and I'd miss a gear, and you know, that's just no good. If you guys are interested in purchasing a really good shift knob, go ahead and hit me up. I do have my old titanium shift knob for sale. It has some good weight behind it. It is a great product, but like I said, it does get hot in the summertime. In California, it gets about 110 out here during the summer. I'm not trying to blister my hands on them. So go ahead and hit me up on both, either Snapchat or Instagram. Link right here. And here's a picture for you guys in case you're interested. So that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what was going on with the RS. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video because it's going to be some fire with those meets. I'm pretty sure some stuff is going to go down. We are going to 2 meets. Both of them should be very good. And like I said, guys, definitely looking forward to those meets. Definitely looking forward to getting some data logging done, going E30 finally, once again. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are on all my problems. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Snapchat and Instagram. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Until next time, I'm out.
Yeah, bro.